Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving work and backing up custom brushes and palettes so nothing is lost. Once done, sign out of Medibang Cloud or disable sync to prevent automatic restores. Then open your file manager and navigate to the Medibang settings directory. appdata /roaming/Medibang Paint Pro on Windows or ~library/application support/Medibang Paint on Mac. You perform these steps to isolate preferences from cloud data. This ensures the reset affects only local settings and prevents immediate reimportation of old preferences. With the app closed, confirm no background processes remain by checking Task Manager or Activity Monitor. Next, rename the settings folder rather than deleting it. Call it Settings Backup Date so you can restore files if needed. This action forces Medibang to create fresh preference files. After renaming, launch Medibang. The application will detect missing config files and generate default settings. This is safer than deletion because it preserves your old files off to the side while giving you a clean, guaranteed default state to test. Finally, reconfigure essential preferences like canvas defaults, tablet mapping, and keyboard shortcuts to your workflow. Do this gradually to spot any issues. If brushes or materials are missing, import them from the backup folder you created earlier instead of relying on Cloud Sync. If something goes wrong, unexpected crashes, or lost data, quit Medibang and restore the renamed settings folder back to its original name, then relaunch. That reverses the reset. This fallback protects your work while letting you return to a known state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.